Yo, check it out. Very exciting day. Coming in the front door here. Boom. Look at this. All manner of subfloor. All the way back into the kitchen. Check that out. Ciao. So this will all be hardwood. Black locust hardwood in here. Yeah, there's the entrance to the rear entrance, the hallway back there, so that'll need subfloors pulled out, and then we're gonna do tile back there and in the laundry room. Yeah, do a little, here's the our spare room here, so looking pretty good as well. Yeah, there's the insulation, and kapow. And then the other massive milestone is that we brought all the hardwood in. So this is all the hardwood for the house. 35 bundles of black locust, or I think it's like Ariana locust or something like that. Really pretty wood. It's gonna look great in here. And yeah, of course we haven't done anything with that room yet, but we will. So, all right. Good times.